Milk tanker trucks travel toward the ice cream processing facility. Milk is unloaded from the tanker into the factory's stainless steel intake system. The milk passes through fine filtration screens to remove impurities. Filtered milk enters the pasteurization unit where it is heated for safety. Pasteurized milk flows into large blending tanks. Cream and sugar are added to the milk to form the ice cream base. Powerful mixers blend the ingredients into a smooth liquid. The mixture is sent through a homogenizer to create a uniform texture. The ice cream base enters aging tanks and is slowly chilled. The thickened base is pumped toward the freezing system. Inside the freezing cylinder, the mixture begins turning into soft ice cream. Air is gently mixed in to make the ice cream light and creamy. Vanilla flavor is injected into the flowing ice cream. Chocolate syrup is added, creating smooth flavor ribbons. Fruit pieces and chocolate chips are mixed into the ice cream. The flavored ice cream flows through extrusion nozzles. Soft ice cream is poured into frozen molds. Wooden sticks are inserted into the molded ice cream bars. The bars move into a deep freezing tunnel. Cold air rapidly hardens the ice cream. Fully frozen ice cream bars exit the freezer. Liquid chocolate is poured over the frozen bars. The chocolate coating evenly covers the ice cream. Crushed nuts and toppings are rolled onto the chocolate shell. The coated bars pass through a cooling tunnel. The chocolate hardens into a glossy shell. Robotic arms lift the finished bars onto conveyors. The ice cream bars move toward the packaging area. Automatic wrappers seal each ice cream bar. Labels are applied to the sealed packages. Finished ice cream bars are placed into cartons. Boxes are stacked by robotic palletizers. Pallets are wrapped for frozen storage. The packaged ice cream enters cold storage rooms. Rows of frozen ice cream boxes line the warehouse. Temperature-controlled systems keep the products frozen. Forklifts move pallets toward the shipping area. Frozen goods are loaded into refrigerated trucks. The truck doors close to protect the frozen cargo. The shipment leaves the factory for distribution. Inside the factory, production continues non-stop. More ice cream flows through the freezing machines. New batches of flavors are blended and mixed. Soft ice cream is shaped into perfect forms. Fresh chocolate coating glides over frozen bars. The finished bars shine under factory lights. Packaged ice cream moves along long conveyor belts. Boxes are stacked neatly for storage. Cold vapor drifts across the warehouse floor. Massive freezers preserve thousands of ice cream bars. Orders are prepared for shipment. Final quality checks ensure product consistency.